Hey everybody, thanks for tuning in, and today we're going to talk about a screen protector for your TFT system on the R1200 GS and GSA. I found this online. I think it's a neat little addition you can add for a pretty reasonable price. This company is from England, Speedo Angels, and inside the kit I got two different versions. I got an anti-glare, and I also got an ultra clear, and they're pretty easy to put on. You'll see coming up in my video, and yeah, it's going to save you from a costly repair if you end up damaging or nicking your TFT in the process of doing some crazy off-road riding. This will hopefully help you out and protect it. Anyway, stay tuned and you'll see the install video. So they say take the included cloth, wipe it down real good, and then they want you to take the blue thing, which has just got a sticky back, and from here, well, wait, maybe not. Oh, yeah, here we go. All right, just kind of go along, pick up any dust that might have gotten trapped in the corners. Okay, right. Here we go. All right, put that back on there for right now. Okay, now we're going to take the screen protector. Red side goes down. Peel it back so I can grab it. Line it up. I think I'm on the money right there. I'm going to just go ahead and get that started. And what I did end up doing is I touched this with my hand, so I need to re-clean this. Alright. And from here, I'm going to take this to use to slide. Okay, I'm not seeing any air bubbles. Everything looks good. Alright, so now that that's done, we peel off the final layer, which is right here. Oh, wait, see, now we got an air bubble peeled off. Let's put that back on. Add a little more pressure up there. Okay, let's try that again. Make sure it's got a good stick. this. Get that air bubble out. All right. So I've got no air bubbles. Everything looks good. It looks like it's giving a little bit of a haze, so let's see what happens when I turn it on. That looks pretty good. I got a decent amount of backlight hitting it right now. As you can see, see my reflection there. I can still read the screen. Alright. Well, I'll let you guys know what I think of this product here after a little bit of riding time, but for right now I think it's pretty good. It's going to protect it from getting scratches and getting beat up. So that was my main goal here. These are not cheap to replace, so if you do scratch it, you hit it with something, you're going to pay a lot of money to get it fixed. So for the couple dollars I spent on this, it's worth it. Anyway, so next time guys, appreciate it. Subscribe, and I'll see you out on the road.